ELI 5. Why does only Taiwan have good chip-making factories? I know they are not the only ones making chips for the world, but they got almost a monopoly of it. Why has no other country managed to build chips at a large industrial scale like Taiwan does? The Taiwanese government massively invested in chip manufacturing R&D. It's thought they did this to try to get to a point where the world's high-tech economy relied on them, and that would make it almost impossible for China to invade them due to the inevitable backlash at the disruption to the world's chip supply it would cause, the so-called silicon shield. To add to what others are saying, TSMC was created by the Taiwanese government. They reached out to Morris Chang, a brilliant engineer for TI, to lead the operation. He finally got to implement a semiconductor business model that he has been trying to get implemented at TI. In the early days, every chip designer ran their own fabs. But each new generation of chips required increasingly more R&D and complex processes to advance. This would require higher volumes of chips sold to spread these R&D costs around to make the model financially viable. He wanted to only manufacture chips for other companies. Let other companies handle design, they will manufacture. This gave them an enormous volume that helped cover R&D costs. It gave them a diverse set of designs to help tweak their processes. They focused on steady, consistent, predictable improvements. Intel with their 10 nanometers process was a large jump forward that failed. They had to redesign the process, causing a multi-year delay that allowed TSMC to overtake Intel in advanced fabrication. Intel has also recently, and maybe too late, come to the conclusion that external design customers are required for fabs to be viable. Intel's own chips don't provide enough volume to make their fabs financially viable anymore, hence them opening up.